Hello friends, welcome to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to learn image transfer with Podge. We will be using simple laser printouts. Let's see the materials required. First we need Podge of any company, it's fine. Then we will need some laser printouts. You can make a collage or use single pics as per your choice. And you can even make a personalized gift, so you can take the photos of the one you are gifting. Then we will need a canvas board. First we need to apply generous coat of Podge on top of our canvas board. We will be applying it from top to bottom or left to right, but we will be covering each and every part of our canvas with Podge. Then we have to take our printout and place it upside down, so the image will transfer on the reverse side on the canvas. And you should keep in mind that while applying, no air bubbles should be left, otherwise the image will not be stuck properly. Then we need to let it dry for at least 24 hours. Once it is dried, we will be rubbing it with water. Keep dipping your finger in water and rubbing it in circular motions. This circular motion you have to keep on doing till we get a clear image. It is a little bit time consuming process, but we need to be very slow and gentle. Otherwise the image will tear off. So keep doing this till we get rid of all this paper from the image. Here the video is little fast forwarded, but you need to follow the speed and technique that I showed you previously. It is a time consuming process, but think that all the negative vibes from your life are going and all the positive vibes are coming with as the picture of your life is becoming clearer and clearer, just like this image. Now you have to apply 2 layers of Podge. It will help you stick the image on the canvas, as well as it will give a bit of shine to your canvas. So apply it in one direction, either from left to right or from top to bottom, to give it a glossy look. Once the Podge dries, it will give a glossy look. Ta-da! Our painting is ready. You can frame it or gift it to your loved ones. It will be a very amazing gift. See how beautiful it looks. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Art you all. Bye bye.